Hey guys, welcome to Simplified Learning. In this video of highway engineering, we are going to cover the 20-year road plans. Let's see the details about the first 20-year road plan. In 1943, Conference of Chief Engineers held at Nagpur introduced the first 20-year road development plan, which is also known as Nagpur Road Plan, for the duration of 20 years starting from 1943 to 1963. In this road plan, the roads were categorized into national highways, state highways, major district roads, other district roads, and village roads. This road plan aimed towards development and construction of 16 km stretch of road per 100 square kilometer of area. Responsibility of construction and maintenance of national highways was taken by central government. By its completion, the Nagpur Road Plan had a total target length of 5,32,700 km. The formulae which were used for the road length calculation were based on star and grid pattern. Thus, they were called as star and grid formulae. The road network was such planned that the maximum distance of first category road from developed or agricultural area would be 8 km, and for villages, maximum distance from metal road would be less than 3.2 km. Against its target length of 5,32,700 km road, the Nagpur Road Plan successfully achieved 7,09,122 km of road length by the year 1963. The total length of first category roads in kilometer was given by using the formula NH plus SH plus MDR, that is length of national highway plus state highways plus major district road is equal to A by 8 plus B by 32 plus 1.6 N plus 8T plus D minus R, where A stands for agricultural area in square kilometer, B stands for non-agricultural area in square kilometer, N stands for number of towns and villages with population 2001 to 5000, T stands for number of towns and villages with population over 5000, D stands for 15% development allowance, and R stands for existing railway length in kilometers. The formula that was used to calculate total length of second category road in kilometer is given by ODR plus VR, that is other district road plus village road is equal to 0.32 V plus 0.8 Q plus 1.6 P plus 3.2 S plus D, where V stands for number of villages with population 500 or less, Q stands for number of villages with population range 501 to 2000, P stands for number of villages with population range 1001 and 2000, S stands for number of villages with population range 2001 to 5000, and D stands for development allowance of 15% for the next 20 years. Let us now discuss the second 20-year road plan, which is also known as Bombay Road Plan. The second 20-year road development plan is also known as Bombay Road Plan, since the planning and meeting for the same was held with the chief engineers at Mumbai, then known as Bombay, and this road plan existed from year 1961 to year 1981. The Nagpur Road Plan had completed its target length 2 years prior its completion, that is in 1961. Thus, Bombay Road Plan commenced in the same year. With price level considered in the year 1961, the Bombay Road Plan had its cost estimation of about 5,200 crores. This road plan had a target of 32 km of road length per 100 square kilometer of area by its completion. Maximum distance from a metal road for any place in developed area would be 6.4 km and 2.4 km from any category of road by completion of this road plan. This road plan aimed at connecting every town with population above 2000 in plains, above 1000 in semi-hill areas, and above 500 in hilly areas by a metal road. 100% allowance was made while calculating road length in hilly region. Hills having altitude more than 2300 km were ignored while calculating road length because population density in that area is very low. A 1600 km length of national highway was targeted in this road plan. Railway line length was not considered anywhere in the road length calculations. A development factor of 5% was considered in this road plan. A target length of 10,57,330 km was set, and by the end of 1981, a total length of 15,02,697 was achieved. It was 29.64% more road length than targeted. Let's have a look at formulas which were used to calculate length of national highways in kilometer. The formula is NH, that is National Highway, is equal to A by 64 plus B by 80 plus C by 96 plus 32K plus 8M plus D, where A stands for developed and agricultural area, B stands for semi-developed area, C stands for underdeveloped area, K stands for number of towns with population over 1 lakh, M stands for number of towns with population range 1 lakh to 50,000, and D stands for 5% development allowance. Let's have a look at another formula which is used to calculate total length of national highways plus state highways. The formula is NH plus SH in kilometer is equal to A by 20 plus B by 24 plus C by 32 plus 48K plus 24M plus 11.2N plus 1.6P plus D, where A is developed and agricultural area, B is semi-developed area, C is underdeveloped area, K stands for number of towns with population over 1 lakh, M stands for number of towns with population range from 1 lakh to 50,000, N stands for number of towns with population range 50,000 to 20,000, P stands for number of towns with population range 20,000 to 10,000, and D stands for 5% development allowance. The third formula used in this road plan is for the calculation of national highways, state highways and major district road combined in kilometer. The formula is NH plus SH plus MDR in kilometer is equal to A by 8 plus B by 16 plus C by 24 plus 48K plus 24M plus 11.2N, 9.6P, 6.4Q and 2.4R plus D, where the variables A, B, C, K, M and P have the same meaning as that in previous formula, and Q is number of towns with population range 10,000 to 5,000, R is number of towns with population range 5,000 to 2,000 and D is the 5% development allowance. Another formula for calculation of total length in kilometer for national highway, state highway, major district road and other district road combined is NH plus SH plus MDR plus ODR in kilometer is equal to 3A by 16 plus 3B by 32 plus C by 16 plus 48K plus 24M plus 11.2N plus 9.6P plus 12.8Q plus 4R plus 0.8S plus 0.32T plus D, where the variables have their meaning as that in previous formula, and the new variable being S is the number of town with population range 2000 to 1000 and T is number of town with population range 1000 to 500. The fourth formula for calculation of total length of national highways, state highways, major district road, other district roads and village road in kilometer is A by 4 plus B by 3 plus C by 12 plus 48K plus 24M plus 11.2N plus 9.6P plus 12.8Q plus 5.9R, 1.6S, 0.64T plus 0.2V plus D. The variables have their meaning as that in the previous formula, and the new variables here is V, which is number of towns with population below 500. Now let's have a look at the third 20-year road plan, which is also known as Lucknow Road Plan. The third 20-year road plan commences from the year 1981 till 2001 and is also known as Lucknow Road Plan. Target of this road plan was to connect all small towns by all-weather roads. Road density target of 82 km per 100 square kilometer was targeted by the end of 2001. In this road plan, roads were classified into primary roads, secondary roads and tertiary roads. No part of country would be more than 50 km away from national highway, and all towns, villages with population 1500 should be connected by major district road, and all villages with population less than 1500 should be connected by other district road. environmental quality, road safety and development of network in less industrialized area and quality improvement in existing road was targeted in this road plan. A 2000 km stretch of expressway was aimed in this road plan. Let's have a look at the formulas which were used in third 20-year road plan. Length of national highway was calculated by national highway in kilometer is equal to total area of the country divided by 50. Another formula for the length of state highways was SH is equal to total area of state divided by 25 and SH in kilometer is equal to 62.5 into number of towns in state minus state area in square kilometer divided by 50. The length of major district road was calculated by MDR in kilometer is equal to total area of state divided by 12.5 and MDR in kilometer is equal to 90 into number of towns in state. Length of rural road was calculated by using the formula rural road length in kilometer is equal to length of other district road and village road combined. So that was the video about the 20-year road plans in India. In the next lecture we will discuss another question. Till then, bye.